Hi, today we are going to go to G2 test route in Etobicoke today. Let's go for G2 test route in Etobicoke today, and they will take you right here. See this one? They are going to ask the parallel parking with these cones here. First thing, or maybe last thing, they are going to ask the parallel parking with these cones. We are not going to do parallel parking here because it's not allowed to do parallel parking here. For the parallel parking, you can watch my other videos. Like I have made the videos with the cones. You can learn parallel parking with that. See this stop sign? Make sure stop here completely. Look around both sides. No one is coming. We'll take right from this stop sign. Take a right here. Stop before the crosswalk. No one coming. Go further ahead. Check. No one coming. Take a right here. And it's a Linton Avenue. Speed limit is 60 here. 60 goes 60 as soon as possible, between 55 to 60. Don't drive slow here because usually in like weekdays, lot of traffic here. And light is green. Just check both sides. Look around. And then the examiner will tell you when it's safe to do so, change into left and take a left from the next traffic light. So check mirror, signal, blind spot, mirror, signal, and look blind spot. No one is coming. I will go to the left lane, and next traffic light we will take left. Left indicator. Look back, blind spot again, mirror, signal, blind spot, and go left into this lane. It's called Orbiter Drive or Centennial Park Drive. So Orbiter Drive. We'll take a left here. No one is coming. We take a left into the first lane here, and there's only one lane. That lane is ending. Don't go into that lane. And this stop sign. Stop completely at the stop sign. Stop here completely and look both sides. We're the first one. This is always stop sign. We're the first one here, so we'll go first. And it's a 50 speed limit here on Orbiter Drive. It's 50 speed limit. Next traffic light, we'll take left here. That's a Matheson Boulevard. Left indicator. Look back, blind spot. We'll go into that left lane. Matheson Boulevard. Stop here completely. Red light. Red light. When you're standing on the red light, look around. Who is coming on the way? Don't move your car. Wait for the light to turn to green. And you can on the Matheson Boulevard some construction going on, and maybe like by the time you come to the test, construction will finish. So we drive according to the construction here. So light is going to change soon. When the light turns green, don't immediately jump on the accelerator. Just look around. Yeah, no one is coming in their way. Then turn left. Take left here. We are supposed to be coming in the right lane after that, but we can't come right now because of that one construction. This one. So keep in this lane. Otherwise, when you take left, you have to go to the first lane here, then change back to the right lane. So we cannot change right now. That's okay. First traffic light, which is Satellite Drive, they will take you right from the traffic light. So light is green. I can take a right from here like this. Yeah, I'm going to the first lane here. Yeah. So speed limit is 50 here. We'll take in. After that, somewhere in these streets, they will take you any one of these streets, and they will ask for this 3-point turn parallel, 3-point turn, and this one uphill and downhill parking. Or sometimes they ask parallel parking also in these streets. We take left is a solar drive. We take left here. Go to past this one, and then change it to pull over to the right side. And see, it's a very big road, but when you do 3-point turn, you have to use the whole road. Look around. 3-point turn here, pull over on the right side, and then do 3-point turn here. Look around. Yeah. Do 3-point turn here, and go back. And they'll ask uphill and downhill and 3-point turn in this area. See this stop sign here? Stop before the crosswalk. Look around. Anyone coming? No one coming. We'll take a right here. After this one, they will take you to right on the Matheson Boulevard. Take the right indicator. It's a red light. First stop your car here. Stop here. Yeah, no one coming. You can take a right. We're supposed to go in the rightmost lane, but there's construction going on there, so that's why we came straight to this lane. Look around. Any intersection, just look around. For the next traffic light, they will take you left. That's a Spectrum way. Look back, mirror, signal, blind spot, go to the left lane. The light is green, no one is coming. You can go left. And speed limit is 50 here. Nothing is written, it's 50. Nothing is written, it's always 50. Okay. Then they will take you straight from the first traffic light. Keep in the middle lane here. Okay. Light is green. Just look around in the intersection, and then they will take you left inside the parking lot. When you take left here, be careful. There's a lot of pedestrians around here. They're walking, and there's so many offices around here, Tim Horton around here. So make sure you look all the pedestrian. And sometimes there's a lineup outside the test center, and so many people are standing here. So it's a very busy place during the weekdays. So make sure you look for all the pedestrian and everything here. Look around here, and there's so many people are coming out from this test center entrance. Just look there, and then they will take a right here. And park on the left side, and here you go, you pass your test, go and get your license from inside. Hopefully this video is going to help you to pass your road test. If you need any help, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965, and best of luck for your test.